Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to set up your PechaKucha to automatically advance every 20 seconds. So what you're looking at on the screen right now is the example that's in Google Classroom, and we're going to set this one up so that it will automatically advance every 20 seconds. So the first thing that you do is you click on File and Publish to the Web. And from the Auto Advance Slides selection, you're going to choose every 10 seconds. Now, I know it needs to advance every 20 seconds, but unfortunately that's not an option in Google right now. But we're going to fix it in just a second. But select every 10 seconds, and you do not need to click either of these. You should leave both of these boxes blank. A thing will pop up, you're going to hit OK, and then it's going to give you this link here. So we're going to copy this link, and we're going to open a new tab where we paste our link. And this is where we have to manually change this to advance to every 20 seconds. So down here at the end, you see where it says 10,000. We just need to change that to 20,000. When we do that, it will pull up our PechaKucha. And in order for it to begin, you have to click the play button. So you click the play button. Since we've selected it and fixed it to advance every 20 seconds, this is when you would begin your presentation. You would give your background information, talk a little bit about your topic, and hopefully end with your thesis. And then when you're done sort of giving that first slide speech, it will automatically advance to the next slide. I didn't have to click anything to make that happen. It will automatically move on to the next one after 20 seconds. I hope you found this helpful.